pretty cool. So today we're heading up to the beach. Overcast day, so I'm hoping, let me zoom out a little bit. Hoping that it won't be too crowded today. There's 2 people over there. But I'm hoping it's gonna be nice. Oh my gosh, and here's the water. This beach is usually packed. I brought the drone too. So we're gonna hope to get some few nice shots, but it is definitely a bit cloudy out here. But this looks pretty good. And not too crowded, which means that hopefully we have a low risk of getting COVID. So I honestly have to estimate right now, the water's temperature is probably around, probably about 65 right now. It's not too cold. I've definitely been in colder water, especially by the Cape, but it's not that bad. And plus, it's pretty good for skipping rocks. If I could actually get the camera on it, it's kind of hard. I'm only by myself. This is a cool rock over here. It almost looks like a bit of a shark's tooth. I wonder how well this one would skip. Hopefully get it. Hopefully that got in the frame. Alright, so the weather's definitely cleared up a lot. It's gotten a little bit more windy. I plan on flying the drone soon because I don't want to get too windy. But a funny story actually, while we were eating lunch, these seagulls over here formed like a circle around us and tried to like take our food. It was really funny. Now they've gone out to attack some other people. You know, kind of go besiege them, but it was still really funny. So hopefully I can get a few nice drone shots because the wind has started to pick up just a bit. Alright, so we're gonna head out over to the kind of like the rock here, way out there, and we'll see if the zoom can even get that far. It's probably about half a mile from where I'm standing. Yep, right there, that rock pile. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna go climb on it. Someone over here has made a really cool shark-looking kind of picture out of seaweed. Really interesting. An excellent job to the creator. Alright, we are here at the rock pier. We're gonna go climb on it, see if we can see anything cool, and well, I'll let you know when we get there. Okay, so just a quick correction. I've been calling it this wrong all this time. It's actually a jetty. And one of the cool things about this jetty is that it actually kind of helps slow down the waves a lot here. So you have a lot smaller waves over here than what we were seeing over there before. Alright, so we're at the top of the jetty now. Excellent view up here. I'm gonna walk down to the bottom and see what else I can see. Okay, so I've reached the furthest point I can go on the jetty right now. I'm out here on the water. Looks really cool with the rocks. There's definitely some really cool scenery. This is man-made, but it still looks awesome, and you can jump off the jetty as well into the water. Don't recommend it though because it is still a bit shallow. But otherwise, amazing view out here. And now, how about we flash some drone photos?
Up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom.
Alright, so this pretty much will conclude today's vlog. Unfortunately, I didn't get too many drone shots because the lifeguard over there, who was actually very nice, but I have to have a special beach permit to fly. My drone, I do have an FAA one, but I guess I have to have a better one for the beach. So I wasn't able to kind of get all the drone shots, but hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm going to end with a few more drone shots, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy them. See ya.